What's up, guys? It's Sunday. I told you guys we were gonna go to the springs. Millie went ahead, she drove over there, so I'm gonna head on over there, meet her there. It's not too far of a ride, get the bike down, go check out the springs and see what it's like. So let's go.
What's up, guys? So we're here at the Ichetucknee Springs Park Ichetucknee Springs State Park. Ready to go explore a little bit?
Let's do it.
Temperature went down. It's gotta be at least 60 now.
It is
68
degrees. So we're gonna bring you guys through the park. Obviously it is too cold for us to be doing anything. So pretty much the north entrance is here. Where do we come in at? Do you know?
This is here. This is where we are right now.
We're here?
Yeah. It says you're here.
Well, okay. Oh yeah. So we're here, and we are gonna go to the blue hole and
we can check out the head springs first, and then
we'll check out the blue hole. There's like a path. We've never been down this way. It's like you can do tubing and rafting and stuff down that way, but
yeah, right now you
haven't done it yet.
It's closed right now, anyways, for winter.
Oh, it's closed. Yeah, so
it won't. It doesn't open until I think spring.
Yeah, so let's check it out, guys. Head Spring Trail. Millie says she's gonna jump in.
No lo creo.
Y'all are about to see how beautiful it is. What are those people cooking, grilling?
There are people jumping in there and swimming earlier.
I want to see how cold it is.
It was real cold.
What's up with you?
Being spoiled. All she want to do is sleep.
Well, she is a French bulldog. That's
when
what they
she
do.
walks, she wants to go wherever she wants to go.
That's the trail over there to the blue hole. We went in there last time we came. It was a little creepy. They said snake? Is that what it was?
That's what I heard, so I came back real quick.
Man, this is nice.
Even the restricted area, you can go over there.
Oh, no, I'm good.
No. I mean,
yeah, I hear you.
See those branches?
Yeah.
Past that, that's the restricted area.
Bruh.
Like, I wouldn't go past that.
Yeah.
Me, that's all I did. I would
That's
go
crazy.
there snorkeling. It's beautiful.
It is.
It really is.
What is it called? A grotto?
Ichetucknee Spring. Yeah, this is a grotto.
Oh, okay.
It's called a
Just
grotto.
learned that. Didn't know.
So everybody walks down the stairs, goes and swims. Chaskawiska, it's about an hour and a half south. Chaskawiska.
You guys y'all been to Devil's Den?
Devil's Den? Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. Alright guys, so this is the high springs. I just learned something new. I didn't know this was a grotto, did you? So they call this a grotto.
And it stays temperature of 72 degrees.
Yeah, well it's, yeah, I mean.
The water, but outside
the whole time? I don't know. But I guess the weather outside, I don't know if they're saying it changes the temperature of the water or it just stays the same the whole time. But the sun's going down, so no one's really in there. It's a little cold. We're gonna go check out the blue hole. Check out the blue hole. Got a little picnic area, barbecue area. It's a nice place to hang out. Beautiful trees. Alright, so blue hole is a little bit of a walk away.
It's a very walk away. You forgot how long.
Did you go?
No, but you forgot how long it was last time we walked it?
Oh, Blue Hole Trail. I don't know, I keep seeing these signs up, man. Let's go. Alright, this is a bit of a walk, guys, so we're gonna run there right now. All these trees are so beautiful. I love how the sun just beams through the trees and you see the rays. It just looks so like a movie. Alright, I'll be quiet. What I'm saying. Life from the dead. Even after death, trees bound around with other forms of life. Bacteria are decomposing the plant tissues. Termites, wood-boring beetles, and carpenter ants are feeding within. These are eaten by woodpeckers, lizards, toads, and shrews. The web of life will, in time, reduce this tree to rich, brown area of humus, I don't know, on the forest floors, waiting to be used by other things. Okay. Hey, where'd you go? Ah! Something just attacked me. Just got attacked, guys. I don't know what it was, but I'm always getting attacked. What's down there? I just got attacked. I don't know what that was. Ooh, that's cool. Oh, this lake comes down there. This big one here?
Yeah, I think that's what leads to the blue hole.
Alright, let's go see, guys. Another one. Southern Magnolia. This is one of the better known attractive trees of the southern United States. It is used in landscaping and its wood has been used for inside furnishing. The southern magnolia has large, dark green leaves that are waxy above and velvety brown beneath. Its fragrant flowers are white and 6 to 9 inches in diameter. In the fall and early winter, its red seeds and brown cones may be found scattered beneath in its limbs. Okay. Aerial gardens. Plants that grow on the trees and other objects are called epiphytes. Some mosses, ferns, and bromeliads are common epiphytes. These plants, often called air plants, are not really nourished by the air. Instead, they obtain nutrients from organic matter such as wind-blown dust or fallen leaves that accumulate around their roots. Okay. Oh, another one to read, guys.
No.
Another one. Another one. Southern red cedar. Can't read it now. Gotta go. Dum dum dum. About to reach. Millie's going in. She's gonna jump in. I hope she doesn't disappoint you guys and goes to the hole and goes down. Alright, so we're here, guys. Finally. So this is what it looks like. Blue Hole Spring. Look at that. You won't catch me doing that. So a little history behind it here, guys. The Blue Hole is the only first magnitude spring of the 9 named springs that feed the Ichetucknee River. Old times call it the Jug because of its unique shape. Water that flows out the Blue Hole passes through the neck of the jug. The body of the jug is 40 feet deep and leads to a complex underwater cave. Where does this cave go? I don't know. Who knows? I don't know. You just have to go in and find out. Find out and see the creatures beneath. Guys. Because I don't know. Alright. Deer? Guys, there's deer. Oh my god.
Mira, mira, mira. They're crossing. There's a whole bunch of them.
Crossing where?
Back there.
Shh. There's deer, guys. I love deer. I don't see them.
Hey, there's a whole bunch of them crossing that way. So maybe if you look that way.
Yeah.
It's moving.
He's right there. He's gonna move his butt right now. See? He just moved. They're on the move, guys. Let's go higher. But look how cool and clear this is, man. Oh my god.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
So we swam in here once. Well, I swam in here twice because I came when Millie was in Hawaii during the hurricane. And it is very
Oh, look at the turtle.
awesome.
You
Turtle
see the
where?
turtle? Down
No.
there in the water. Looks like a rock because she's not moving now, but she was swimming.
It's one of my eyes.
Watch. There.
Oh, the little small one. The little turtle. You guys see him right there? You see him? Look at the turtle. The turtle. Where you going, buddy?
Hi.
So this is it, guys. This is as much of we've seen of Ichetucknee Springs. If we wanted to see more, we would have to hop in a tube or a raft and raft down the river. I don't know if you guys can see, but what's creating those waves are the pressure actually coming back out. I think they're going in. They're going in.
You ladies going in?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Have fun.
Go. No, you go.
To go in the spring water. It's so cold. But we're about to move up north, so I might as well get over
Where are you
that.
guys going?
Yeah.
Vermont.
Oh, okay.
So all the water up there is gonna be cold. We got a van, so we're just gonna live in our van.
Oh yeah, van life.
That's awesome.
That's what's up, man. My brother and my sister-in-law is doing that.
Oh, you guys live in it?
Well, we're yeah.
Lot less stressful.
Yeah, oh yeah, man.
Did you guys start it already?
Oh, we're about to leave this month. We're like fixing up the inside of the van now. Like,
Oh, that's
we're
what's
building
up.
cabinets.
We wanted to save some money too.
Yeah,
to
that's
have
the
that,
best
just because
thing.
it's an 82. We don't know what will happen.
Yeah. What kind of van is it?
It's a Volkswagen.
Volkswagen. Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
Oh, cool. Did you guys paint it and stuff?
No.
It was in really good condition.
Yeah, it looks
God.
nice. It's just a nice dark blue color.
Oh,
It's
that
only
is
got
cool.
like a little over 100,000 miles on it.
Yeah,
Yeah, like
That's
it was
a
some.
super
It was
like
some old
brand
man's
new.
van.
Yeah.
It was
He
like
took really good
5,000.
care.
that's awesome, man.
But yeah, now that
15,000.
van life hashtag thing's starting to boom.
Yeah.
For those are gonna go up.
Yeah.
I wonder how many people are gonna say they want to do it and are actually gonna do it.
Yeah, I know.
It's scary
you guys-
thinking about it.
It is.
It is, but it's
Leaving what
amazing.
you knew before to do something else.
Yeah. That was like us. We just sold everything. We're not doing it. We don't have a van, but we have a travel trailer that we pull with a truck, and we live in it full time.
That's what we
So
want to do. Live
yeah.
Full time.
We
and
did.
like, we get tired of this area.
Head out and go somewhere else. Yeah.
No lease, nothing.
Yep.
That's so awesome.
Where are you guys
Oh my god, I don't like this.
South Florida, Fort Lauderdale.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're making our way up right now to we're gonna be in Georgia, then head west. All right, guys. So that's a wrap for the Springs. Just wanted to show you guys the Springs, what it was like. We've been here a couple of times, so we thought why not share it with everyone. So if anyone is passing through Lake City, northern Florida, it's off the 75. You can make a pit stop here at this park, Ichetucknee Cabins and Campground, as you guys know where we are already. But you can make a stop here. This is our last night here, so we're gonna pack up and we head out in the morning to Georgia. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe, like, share, comment if you guys have any questions. Also, if you guys got tips, man, we're gonna be heading west. We're going to Georgia for 2 weeks, as you guys already know. So if you guys have any tips, drop them in the comments. You know, boondocking, any RVing tips that you guys can give us while we're in transit, guys. So that's a wrap, guys. So we'll see you guys next time.